The journey of the birth of 20 units dual-power automatic transfer switch ATS samples begins now. The ELMS 1 GA series ATS undergoes 20 assembly processes, each of which is manually verified and subjected to an initial product assembly inspection. Each product undergoes a complete inspection process after assembly is completed. The testing process includes a 2 kV withstand voltage test, the first comprehensive test covering phase loss detection, over voltage and under voltage detection, etc., an aging test, the second comprehensive test, and a final manual inspection. Before packaging the product in cardboard boxes, use anti-static bags for close protection. Finally loaded onto the transport vehicle, Logistics Trakina started with full sincerity. They are rushing towards us.